extraordinary environments. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you're looking to transform your basic patio into a serene, stylish outdoor sanctuary, you are in the right place. Today we're diving into the sleek, tranquil world of modern patio water features. These aren't your grandma's stone fountains. We're talking about contemporary designs that blend seamlessly with modern architecture. Stick around as we explore what they are, why you need one, and how to decorate yours for maximum impact. A modern patio water feature is essentially an intentionally designed element that incorporates flowing or still water into an outdoor space, characterized by clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and the use of contemporary materials like concrete, sleek metals, or smooth stone. Unlike ornate or rustic fountains, modern features prioritize form and function, often appearing as geometric basins, linear channels, smooth cascading walls, or simple elevated pools. They are designed to act as architectural accents, integrating seamlessly with a contemporary patio or garden landscape rather than just sitting on top of it. The focus is on the sensory experience, the sight of the reflective water surface and the soothing sound of the flow, all while maintaining a sophisticated, uncluttered visual appeal. Installing a modern water feature brings a host of benefits that go far beyond just visual appeal. Firstly, they introduce a sense of tranquility and a captivating focal point. The gentle sound of moving water naturally drowns out distracting urban noise like traffic, transforming your patio into a peaceful escape. Secondly, water features are a powerful tool for microclimate control, as the evaporating water can slightly cool the surrounding air on hot days. Thirdly, they significantly boost your property's overall aesthetic and value, signaling a high level of design sophistication. They also attract beneficial wildlife like birds, enhancing the natural experience. Ultimately, a water feature elevates the entire outdoor living experience, making it a more inviting and therapeutic place to relax and entertain. To ensure your modern patio water feature looks its best, decoration should follow the principle of less is more. Start by leveraging strategic lighting. Submerging warm white LEDs or placing uplights behind cascades emphasizes the texture of the water flow and the materials used, especially at night. Planting choices are also key. Opt for minimalist, architectural plants like bamboo, ornamental grasses, or sleek succulents in geometric planters. Avoid overly bushy or colorful flowers that clash with the modern design. If your feature is a pond or basin, consider floating minimal decor like simple, unglazed ceramic spheres or even a few water lilies for organic contrast. Finally, surrounding hardscaping should complement the feature. Use large-format uniform pavers or smooth river stones around the edge to maintain that essential clean line look. Choosing the right components and materials is vital for achieving a truly modern look. The best features often incorporate high-quality materials like corten steel for a rustic modern industrial edge, smooth finished concrete, or large slabs of slate and basalt. Linear waterfalls or sheer descent spouts are superior to traditional tiered fountains, creating a sleek, curtain-like flow of water. When it comes to surrounding items, focus on minimalist patio furniture. Think low-profile seating with sharp angles in neutral colors. For illumination, use integrated strip lighting hidden beneath coping stones or minimalist landscape spotlights. Other key items include automated timers and pumps for maintenance ease and large, architectural fiberglass or concrete planters to frame the space. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best modern patio water feature ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, tiered stone and vertical garden waterfall. multi-level modern waterfall wall. This striking design combines rough stacked stone textures with smooth concrete tiers for a dynamic contrast. The integrated vertical greenery softens the strong architectural lines, creating a lush, multi-sensory feature. Submerged lighting highlights the water's movement and the tiered structure, making it a breathtaking nighttime display. 2. Zen Garden Pond and Low-Profile Steps. Contemporary Evening Garden Retreat. A masterful use of materials and light defines this feature. The water is incorporated at the base of dark slate steps, subtly lit from beneath the floating pavers. The dark, raised beds and horizontal wood fencing provide a beautiful, private backdrop, giving the space a luxurious, high-end Zen ambience. 3. Linear Water Channel with Pebble Inlay. Grand Linear Pebble Water Feature. This long, narrow water channel filled with white river stones acts as a stunning architectural centerpiece across a broad patio. The clean, dark border contrasts sharply with the pale pavers, and a simple illuminated spout provides a continuous, soothing sheet of water, creating a powerful, elegant statement piece. 4. Sunken Deck and Pond with Stepping Stones. Integrated pond and decking area. An exceptional example of blending hardscaping, water, and planting. The elevated wooden deck creates an intimate seating area floating above a reflecting pool. Large slate stepping stones visually connect the paved patio to the deck, while lush tropical ferns soften the edges and enhance the feeling of a private, exotic oasis. 5. O-Ring Minimalist Pond. Modern Circular Garden Pond. A brilliant use of sculptural design, this feature presents a tranquil pond in a massive, white, donut-shaped vessel. Set on a circular slate path amidst a lawn, it brings a bold, contemporary art installation feel to the garden, perfect for a modern, minimalist landscape. 6. Elevated Stone Planter Spouts. Raised Stone Spillway Fountain. 3 sleek, linear spouts spill water from a raised planter box faced with textured, stacked stone. This design is robust and architectural, grounding the space with its solid mass. The warm uplighting emphasizes the texture and the smooth sheet flow, perfect for a transitional or mountain modern setting. 7. Multi-tiered rectangular water troughs. Architectural tiered water channels. A multi-level patio design is enhanced by this sharp linear water feature that cascades down 3 concrete troughs. The structured flow mimics the geometric lines of the patio pavers and the sleek outdoor furniture, making it a powerful, cohesive extension of the home's contemporary style. 8. Courtyard Fountain and Reflecting Pool. Urban courtyard water feature with canopy. A sophisticated indoor-outdoor space. This shallow reflecting pool with small illuminated jets is tucked into an intimate courtyard. The surrounding glass walls reflect the overhead tree canopy, blending nature and architecture flawlessly, and creating a tranquil, private gathering spot. 9. Tall concrete spout wall. Minimalist blade waterfall feature. This dramatic installation features 3 towering, dark gray concrete columns with minimalist spouts that pour into a shallow basin. The stark geometry and dark coloring are offset by vibrant orange fall foliage and tall, lush grasses, creating a high-contrast artistic focal point. 10. Decking with integrated square ponds. Zen decking with integrated water squares. A clever design where the wooden deck is custom-built around 2 square-shaped ponds, creating a floating effect. The water is flush with the decking, blurring the lines between solid ground and liquid space. A small, cascading wooden feature provides the sound of movement, perfect for a cozy, modern backyard retreat. Modern patio water features are more than just a decoration. They are a sensory investment in your home. They quiet the noise, cool the air, and instantly inject a level of sophistication and tranquility that no other outdoor element can match. Whether you choose a simple linear channel or a dramatic multi-tiered wall, focusing on clean lines, sleek materials, and thoughtful lighting will ensure your feature stands the test of time and becomes your favorite place to unwind. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you're feeling inspired. Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more luxury home and garden tips. And hit that notification bell so you never miss our next design deep dive. See you next time and happy decorating!